price of lumber has been under pressure. Higher interest rates have pushed mortgage rates in the States to multi-decade highs. And of course, there are fears that is going to hamper new residential construction. Many observers, experts say positives may be, the fundamentals may be positive for lumber in the second half of this decade, could push up prices. But shorter term, there are likely to be challenges. We're joined by John Cooney, equity research analyst at ERA Forest Products Research. John, it's great to talk to you.
Thanks for having me on, Andrew.
The fundamental problem for lumber right now, fears about U.S. home building?
Yeah, and it's not just fears. We've seen a pretty pronounced downturn in U.S. home building activity this year. The last couple months of data, U.S. housing starts are sort of either side of 1.3 million units. That's down from close to 1.6 million units built in 2022 and 2021. So there's an actual impact on demand there. And then looking forward, it's concerns about mortgage rates. You know, we're already at 8% or close to. It's going to take several quarters before we get some relief there. So a tough few quarters in store here for U.S. housing.
BC, we know, has higher costs than many other regions. And you say that some mills there aren't making money at these prices, these lumber prices?
Correct. When we look at cash SPF prices, the sort of dominant species in Western Canada, at $370 today, a lot of mills will be underwater. I think there was hopes that we'd see a boost in demand around the traditional fall construction season. That hasn't materialized. So I think, sawmill downtime announcements will be forthcoming here in the next few weeks and months.
So much talk in Canada of stimulating house building, but I guess, is Canada really just a rounding error when it comes to lumber demand in North America?
Yeah, it is. And as much as it gets headlines, like we look at Canadian housing starts averaging around 200,000 units. A huge portion of those are multifamily units, which consume, 1/3 of the lumber as a single family start does. And again, you compare that 200,000 units with 1.5, 1.6 million starts in the US. It's helpful at the margin if the Canadian housing market is strong, but the whole lumber industry, I guess, sort of lives and dies by what's happening south of the border.
Talk to us about West Fraser, the industry giant, just reported its numbers. What is your take on that stock?
Yeah, so it was tough sledding in the third quarter, particularly in West Fraser's lumber segment. But they benefited from OSB, or engineered wood products. That was the big acquisition of Norbord a couple years ago. OSB had a tremendous quarter in Q3. The downside is that's unlikely to repeat in Q4. We've already seen OSB prices come off quarter to date. And like I mentioned at the top, lumber will be tough sledding for the next few quarters here. So decent earnings in Q3, but again, a challenging outlook for at least the next couple quarters here until we see sort of green shoots in the U.S. housing market.
So there's a risk West Fraser could be dead money for a couple of quarters?
Yeah, like over the longer term, it's trading in the low 90s today. That's an attractive level if you're an investor with a longer time frame. But we suspect this name will remain good value for a couple of quarters. We'd hoped that we'd see interest rate cuts starting early in 24. I think expectations around that have been pushed out until the middle of 24 at the earliest. So no real upside catalysts on the horizon here for the near term.
As you know, we're seeing more and more buildings being large buildings going up using lumber, compressed giant blocks of lumber. But is that big enough to really move the needle on demand anytime soon?
No, it's not. It helps with raising awareness about the possibilities of building with wood, but the real sweet spot in terms of providing incremental demand for lumber will be more, I guess, copy and paste projects, 3 to 5 story multifamily or dormitories or care homes. Projects that you can build in, virtually every town or city across North America. These large one-off sort of skyscraper projects are great for raising awareness, but they're not really having a significant impact on, North American lumber demand at the moment.
Sorry, John, we've less than a minute left. Do you think lumber will, though, have its day, say 10 years down the road? Will it start displacing concrete?
For sure, at the margin, it will all help. I think the bigger sort of upside potential is just from a recovery in housing. Like the U.S. housing market has been massively underbuilt over the last, call it 10 years. Once affordability challenges are addressed and we see interest rates and mortgage rates creep lower, we really think there's huge pent-up demand for housing in the U.S. So it's going to be the traditional single-family starts that really spur on a recovery in lumber. But unfortunately, it's not looking likely until the second half of next year at the earliest.
John.